Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about ASP NET Session State. As you know, HTTP is a stateless protocol and some values don't get stored between the pages when you change from one page to another. Session state helps us make these values persist. It identifies requests from the same browser during a limited time window as a session and provides a way to persist variable values for the duration of that session. So basic example, in the previous video we created a login authentication module, and when we log in we actually want to, when we go to the member page, we want to be able to carry our username to that members page. And if you remember, the username comes from the text box username, and we fetch the password for that username from the database. And then here in this code, if the password entered in the text box matches the password in the database, then we redirect to we go to the member page. But before we get there, we need to store the username so we can access it on the other page. And that way we can also enforce that nobody can access the member page without actually creating a session, which can only be created when the passwords match. So to do that, session user equals text box username dot text. So we get our username from the username text box, and then we're gonna go to the member page, right? So here we need to check whether there's a session or not. If session user, okay, if it's null, I mean there's no session, so somebody just maybe typed in member.aspx to the browser address bar. Now we're gonna basically we're gonna print a message that says this area is only for members and then we're gonna give them a link so they can actually go back and try to log in. Now you don't have to put the link the way I'm doing here. You can actually put it in the put in with the visual portion in the ASPX file. I'm just doing this way because I want to create my video faster. Okay. Now, if there is a user, there's a session, means the database, the password was correct, username matched. Then we give them a message, says that hello username, you know, whoever that person is, we give greetings to them. H3 hello session user dot string. Let's close that H3. Right, and then response that's right. And then if you're able to log in, you should also be able to log out. So we're also going to give them a link where they can go to the logout page and they can just log out. Okay. Now, well, we don't have a logout page yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create one. Add new item, web form, logout. And basically what we're gonna do in the logout page is when the page loads, as soon as the page loads, we're gonna just clear the session and we're gonna send them back to the login page. Let's see. So I'm going to enter a name from the database that has correct password. Again. Hello, Jado. And this is the member page. And if you want to log out, you can click on this and it gets back us to the member login page. Let's try entering the member ASPX. This area is only for members. So if you want to go you have to go to the login. Okay.